everyone, and welcome to today's meeting. Hope you enjoyed last week's idea video. Let us begin today's work. Be sure to share your experiences with last week's picture, natural coloring, number, worksheet and food coloring videos. Now, take photographs while holding up the worksheet. Till then, let's pause the video. Now, let us move on the next activity, which is called Let's Try. Until this activity happens. We hope all the mothers had fun doing this activity. Now, let's move on the next activity called Let's Learn Something New. Worm infections in children are quite common and spread easily. However, it's hard to tell how common these infections are because they often have no symptoms and go unreported. Let's try to understand about worms in the stomach. With the help of this video, let's watch the video. Beware of stomach worms. Worms in the stomach of children. Worm infection in children are quite common and spread easily. However, it's hard to tell how common these infections are because they often have no symptoms and go unreported. 1 out of every 5 people must have at least one type of worm infection. At the same time, it is considered even more common in young children. Types of insects. There are many types of stomach worms, but mainly they are divided into 2 types of categories, the roundworm and the tapeworm. They affect the body according to their capacity. How to know? Symptoms of infection. Most worm infestations do not show any symptoms, or these symptoms are so mild that they go unnoticed, depending on which worm infestation your baby has and how severe it is. There are some common signs of symptoms that your baby may have, like loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, and weakness starts happening. When the larvae of insects reach the lungs, asthma can also occur. Which test is done to detect worm infestation? The best way to detect worms in a baby is to get him examined by a doctor. The doctor may order one of the following tests to check for worm infestation in the baby. Stool examination, sticky tape test, look under the fingernails, checking with cotton swab, ultrasound examination. Worm infection treatment. Almost all worm infections can be treated with oral medications. Depending on the type of infections your child has, the doctor may start medicine or deworming treatment. Infection protection. By adopting the above mentioned tips, you can keep the child safe from insect infestation. Always keep in mind that the baby should play in a clean and dry place. Don't let your child play in watery places such as mud, puddles, near lakes or dams. Wash hands thoroughly after using the toilet. If your child is older, teach them to wash their hands after every use of the toilet. Keep baby's nails short and clean. Bedbug eggs can get caught into long fingernails and spread throughout the house. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly in clean water. Take special care when washing green leafy vegetables as they can harbor soil and dust. Always drink clean water. You can either boil or filter the water. Hope you will definitely benefit from this video. Be sure to let us know your experiences next week. Thank you. How can you benefit from this video? All the mothers can share one by one. Now, let's move on the next activity, which is called Do It with the Children. Draw a picture on the paper as shown in the picture. Ask the children to complete and color the pattern as per the instructions. Did the children enjoy doing this worksheet? Do share your experience with us. We will end our activities for today now. See you again next week with more such updates and fun activities. Till then, take care of yourself and your children. Thank you.